Welcome to the sellthatoption.com YouTube channel. If this is your first time joining us here, taking a look at any of our daily recap videos, please feel free to reach out to me at ryan@sellthatoption.com should you have any questions about the process or anything that you're about to view. Now, momentarily, you're going to get to see a dated version of what I send to our members here at sellthatoption.com every single day after the close if we initiate a trade. Okay, and so I send these after the market closes. They're able to take a look at the trades that I make. I talk about why I entered the trade, what I was looking for when I initiated the trade, my profit targets for that trade, and any general market commentary that was important when we were looking at that trade. Now, it's important to note here that these are trades that you can take a look at the night after. You don't have to be chained to your computer all day. See if there's something that you like and then initiate the trade potentially on the next business day. Okay, and so what we're going to do is here is if you are a member or you're looking at a membership, what you would do is you would come over here, select members, and then you would click daily recap videos. Okay, so let's take a look at exactly what a daily recap video page would look like and how our members would utilize that page. All right, now here we are in our daily recap video page, and so you can see a little bit of education that our members would get to read, and then you just go down here and you click play. Okay, now I've got it set up to where the most recent video is always the first one that shows up. You can see the date, and so what you would do is you would just click play, and then you would be able to see the video. Okay, I don't have any of the other videos set up, but what you can do is you can come to this page right here, and then you can see all of previous videos that we have listed on the site. Okay, without any further information, let's get right into the daily recap video. All right, welcome. Today is January the 3rd, 2018, and we are in our daily recap. We closed a trade in XLF for $246.10. We then turned right around and reopened another position in XLF because IV was elevated in the security, and then we also opened up a strangle here in OIH. And so we opened two positions, closed one for a profit, feeling really good about kind of the portfolio that we've been building for February expiration, and really excited to how the year has started. And so let's just go ahead and jump right into our positions and the trades that we made today. All right, and here we are in our strangle, our super tight strangle here in OIH. Okay, so as you can see, we did open 8 strangles, and we took in a total credit of $1.39. Okay, so this diagram does look a little bit different from our traditional straddles or iron butterflies, and here's why. So right here at 27 all the way to 26, that's where we receive max profit at expiration. And so anywhere between 26 and 27, if we were to pin that security in between those at expiration, then we would receive max profit. Of course, it's never our goal to hold through expiration. We always want to manage strangles at approximately 50%, 25 to 50%, and we'll just see how that goes. We do currently have a probability of profit of 53.53%. Okay, so we also have really nice break evens. We are 24.61 all the way to 28.39. Okay, so let's take a look at the chart and see what that looks like. Okay, so our yellow vertical line is our current date. So this is when we initiated the trade, and so as we come to the trade, we will look back at it. We are live right now. It is 11 o'clock in the morning, and so you will see the price change. OIH has continued to move up today, which is interesting. When we put the trade on, it was right at 26.50 or so, and so that's why we did the strangle, the really tight strangle at 26 to 27 rather than just doing waiting and doing a straddle at 27 or something like that. Okay, now let's take a look at our horizontal lines. Our two till lines are our max profit area, and so if the security ends anywhere between the two till lines, we're going to receive max profit again, so that's kind of where our sweet spot is. Our pink lines, on the other hand, are our break evens. Now when we're looking at the chart, On the put side, we don't really have anything that's super interesting here, but on the call side, we do have what will likely be an area of resistance here, because we see that the security wasn't able to break out of this particular level in April and May. That looks like it's going to be a pretty good level of resistance. And so hopefully we're just able to pin the security and it moves sideways for us. We are going to put a closing order on. That way we do hopefully get this filled with us ever having to do really anything with the security. Okay, but this is what our chart as well as our risk diagram looks like. So let's keep moving on with our daily recap. Alright, so out of one XLV trade and right into another. Now, this is an iron butterfly centered at the 28 strike with protection at 23, and 32. So XLV had a slightly elevated implied volatility level at right at 37%. Percentile, and we currently have a probability of profit at 51.62%. Of course, it's likely higher due to early management. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at this chart here. So the chart, the till line, as always, is our break-even level. The horizontal vertical line, the vertical yellow line, is our date that the trade went on. Let's take a look at the technical side on the put side, which is our break-even of $26.87. I love that level. Two reasons. One, as you can see here, that was previous resistance, and now it's support. It also held support on this day right here, so I really like the security for that reason. And on the upside, we have plenty of upside before we get challenged. It'd have to continue to break to 52-week highs, and as we've seen, we've been in a period of consolidation, really, and so I'm looking to play that a little bit more. Feel really, really good about the position. Love this position, and hopefully we already have a good till canceled closing order in for 80 cents. And so that's already in, so we're going to look to make that happen. Love it. Love where we're at with the positions that we've started so far this year. Really pumped. Let's see if we can add anything else by the end of the day. But we've entered 2 today, closed 1, and we're going to keep trying to make some money. Let's do it. And here is our closing position in XLF. Our vertical yellow line is the date that we initiated the trade, so on the 15th of December. And our horizontal till line is where our security was centered at. So we did do a straddle here in XLF centered at 28. And as you can see, we really were able to take advantage of the fact that the security has done literally nothing. After the expiration period, we've seen the security stay between essentially 28.20 and 27.80. And so very, very little movement in the security, which is why we were able to take this off so quickly. We were in this trade for not even 3 weeks, which is really, really nice for us. So that's what the position looks like. This is perfect. This is why we trade neutral strategies, is we just sit there and want to take advantage of that right there. So didn't do anything. We sold this for $1.09 and we purchased it back for 79 cents, and so really just a fantastic trade here. Not a whole lot else to say except the security moved sideways. We were able to take advantage of that time decay.